And we're also afraid of being rejected. Diba masakit yun? Let's take a look at the salesperson. Tayo, we are anxious. We're also afraid of not knowing enough. Kasi talagang we don't understand it's a process, kakabahan ka pa. Sabihin mo lang, it's either a go or no go. 50-50 lagi ang tingin. Next, we're also concerned if we are not competent, lalo sa mga baguhan dyan. Especially kung ang kausap mo ay out of your league. If you're used to talking to junior managers, purchasing assistant, bigla ang kausap mo na ngayon, plant manager, diba? Or the owner mismo, the CEO, or pinag-present ka ngayon sa head ng buying committee, sa board, diba? Kasi nag-iiba na yung pakiramdam nyo. Pero remember, you are connecting with human beings, even if they are representing corporate accounts. And we're also afraid of being rejected. Diba? Masakit yun. Kahit kanino galing, whether sa CEO man yan or sa usual na kausap mo, biglang, no, we're not going to buy. It's a definite no for this particular offer. Masakit. And that's why, kailangan tayo maging aware na these types of emotions are present. Would you agree?